Hello, welcome to this quick video with a few tips on how to photograph your records for eBay. And the first thing I want to mention is the first place you want to go is to look at other people who are selling records and take inspiration from them, especially the top sellers on eBay, because they're the ones getting the results. So that's where you want to start for ideas. And on top of that, you want to think about the context you set the record within. And what I mean by that is if you're selling records aimed at people who listen to rock music, having an image in there with the record next to an electric guitar, for example, is just something that sets the scene and lets people relate to your photography. And having that as a supporting or even the main image is a nice way to go to draw people in, get their eyes on your stuff and pick you above someone else in the eBay feed. Another thing I want to talk about is reflections, because reflections can be quite annoying in this sort of photography. I've seen people write this around the internet as well. And there's two things to do to deal with reflections is to, number one, just re-angle the light. Sometimes move it away. If you're doing an extra window, move it away from the window a bit. Or you can go a step further and get a copy stand. A copy stand is a camera on a stand, obviously, and at the bottom there's a base, and you can lay the record on there. On top of that, put an anti-glare acrylic sheet, which will reduce the glare as well. And that's just another way to go. I do actually offer a full step-by-step with a clearer process on how to go about doing this on my website. I'll link it in the description below. And yeah, head over there, let me know what you think. Cheers then, bye.